बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Saida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we will learn maths basics. In maths basics, we will see addition of decimal number for MDCAT aspirants, manual calculation. My dear MDCAT aspirants, in your test you have no calculator to use. That's why I will teach you how to do manual calculation. Let's take an example. Plus 23.42 plus 32.23. 23 point. Now first of all, point below point, like this. Point below point and number below number. Look like this. 23 and 42. Now 32 and 23. 32 and 23 plus sign. Now first of all, it is simple now to add. Sorry, I write 2 here, but I write 3 here. This is my mistake. Sorry. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now point again, point below point, number below number. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Means answer is at our 55.65 is our answer. Okay. Sorry. $55.65. It is our answer. No subscribe, no like, only share.